Oh, and there's James. Will you please? He's become more famous than me.
Even during the best of times, for Donald Trump, it was a love-hate relationship. The president's feud with FBI Director James Comey began during the campaign, when Comey refused to recommend charges against Trump's rival, Hillary Clinton, for using a private email server while Secretary of State.
We cannot find a case that would support bringing criminal charges on these facts.
Then candidate Trump was furious, arguing Clinton should have been jailed over the emails. But Trump's attitude shifted just 11 days before the election, when Comey announced an FBI review into a new batch of Clinton emails, a statement many Democrats say helped Trump at the polls.
I respect the fact that Director Comey was able to come back after what he did.
What he did, he brought back his reputation. He brought it back. I, Donald John Trump.
Once Trump took office, his tone changed yet again, especially after Comey confirmed he was heading an investigation into whether the Trump campaign colluded with Russia to interfere in the election. White House officials say Comey's investigation has nothing to do with his removal. Instead, they cite a letter from the Justice Department that criticizes Comey's handling of Clinton's emails. But many lawmakers aren't buying that reasoning, questioning why Trump would fire Comey for the very actions he earlier praised.
The first question the administration has to answer is why now?
Trump, though, is confident. Asked Wednesday why he fired Comey, he replied,
Because he wasn't doing a good job, very simply. He was not doing a good job.
Bill Gallo, VOA News, Washington.